If you're a real estate agent and you're looking to get a little bit more organized with your real estate business and have a tool that's going to help you manage your work a little bit more efficiently, effectively, and be more productive so that you could be the best realtor that you can be for your client, then I have the right tool for you that's going to help you manage all of your work. You know exactly when your showings are, you know exactly all the things you need to do when it comes to your real estate business, but also capture your personal life and all the other things that you have on the go. So stay with me. I'm going to zoom into my screen and walk you through this amazing tool that I've been using for a number of years now. And I can't wait to introduce that to you. So stay with me. And before I do that, I just want to do a quick introduction, especially if this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel. I want to introduce myself. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage. I'm also a CRM peer coach with Inside Real Estate. And on this channel, I talk about everything really from my own experience and my business partner, Josh, and my husband, who's also a real estate investor. So everything that we have going on, we kind of bring it to the forefront and we share them with you because of my expertise of working in the marketing sector for over a decade. I bring that to you right here and I share with you lead generation strategies, working better with CRMs, strategies to work with buyers, seller, clients, name it. I like to share it here. And again, if you want to stay with me on this journey and learn and grow together, I highly recommend you click that subscribe button. And if you're looking for a brokerage, if you're looking to really take your business to the next level and have an ongoing support on a weekly basis and get access to free training and resources, and if you're looking at, again, switching brokerages or finding the right brokerage that is the right fit for you, I highly recommend you look up eXp Realty. And if you're looking for a sponsor, I highly recommend you book a call with me and do your research, meet with multiple people. And I highly recommend you look at our resources and what we offer you for free, zero cost to you. Book a call with me. I'd be happy to explain what all of that process is. So let's get back to it. Asana is the tool I'm talking about in this presentation, in this video. I'm going to walk you through exactly what Asana is. Really is a 101 of Asana, how to get organized, how to have a proper workflow in your business. I'm a true believer that if you know how to manage your time, then you know exactly how to bring income into your bank account. So let's get started. I'm going to zoom right in. This is a tool that I got introduced to when I was working for the government a number of years ago, and I've been using this tool for now over 10 years. And we use this platform to manage hundreds of marketing projects that I used to lead for projects that for the government that was targeting upwards of hundreds and thousands of people that would come to some of our events and exhibitions. And I started to use this when when I left my full-time job and I became a full-time realtor and a teacher and an entrepreneur and an investor. I had so many projects, so many things I need to work on and was doing and was managing. And I started to open up a couple of different companies. And on top of that, I'm also a mom of two little kids. And so Josh and I had a lot on the go. And this was kind of in my way and a to-do list, a digital to-do list. And it comes in a web on desktop format as well as your on mobile app. So this was really great. And for the privacy and for also so my business and to protect the content, I am not going to dive too much into kind of showing you the platform itself, but I will in the future. I'll clean up a little bit and hide some of those important tasks and to protect the privacy of contact information and people in my database. I will do some more training on Asana where I'm diving deep into some strategies, but today I'm going to take a moment to explain this tool to you. You can go to asana.com and look up the program and see how it works and what the pricing is. I use it for free. I've always used it for free because when I was at the government, we had an enterprise level, and our work was paying for that, and I always had access to it. So when I left, I'm still using the free version. I still get a bulk of it done through here, even with the free version. I highly recommend you check it out. And even at the corner, as you can see here, I have you can add different workplace, something that is personal, and you can add your workplace as well, so you can split the two. But I realized instead of going into both, I actually added personal as a project here, as you can see on the left hand menu. And I have a number of different projects, any of the weekly projects that I was working on, my company, my real estate business with all my clients. So, and then you can add people to it. And this is what I love about this platform is because it's a to-do list. But let's say you want your husband to pay your bill or to take care of, to run an errand for you. You can tag him or her, your partner, into the platform. And I obviously, Josh is my business partner, but he's also my husband. So we both do a lot of things together and we collaborate a lot. So he's in this tool. And my business partner, Jacob Sharman, who's also my business partner, he's also a real estate agent in my group. And we work together on a lot of different things. So he's also in here. So I brought in a number of different people that I work really closely with, including my VAs, my assistant, my video editor. And you can start to leverage this tool in that way. And then when you don't work with them anymore, let's say a VA that you are letting go of and you want to hire somebody else, you can kind of remove them from the system. And I've done that with some co-op students or interns that were working for me in the past as well. And you can assign a date to it and you'll get notification on when the task is coming up. You'll know exactly what you need to do this week. And also, even social media posts, when I was managing social media content, I still do. And now I leverage Karuvi and I leverage things like Buffer. And I also have my own CRM platform that I post directly from, which I'll show you in the future if you're interested to know. But I'm all about leveraging smart tools to automate my business. So I really wanted to take a moment to introduce this to you because now you can also, if you go into the calendar view, you could see all of your tasks in the calendar, in a physical calendar, well, digital, but you can visually see it and you can see who each of the items belong to. So you have a way of keeping people accountable. And also, when you're creating projects, you can create them as a to-do list or even like a board. I don't know if you've ever used Trello before. So it's kind of like a Trello. This is a working map. It allows you to manage your tasks, manage your work projects, really anything and everything in life. And even now when I do training for agents and my coaching clients, they're also in here. And I'm also an artist. And so all these things that you do, and if you're like me, who is a multifaceted entrepreneur and you're self-employed and you have a lot of things going on, this is just a great way to manage your workflow. People always ask me, are you not stressed out? And I have all these things going on. How do you manage it? And it's because of things like Asana. I hope this is kind of helpful for you. I just wanted to introduce this to you. Like I mentioned, this is going to be super high level, one-on-one. But the reason why I wanted to do this is if this is of interest to you, let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to be diving a little bit more deeper into Asana and show you a little bit more deeply as to how I leverage this tool and how you can add in goals and really put together project boards, and the way you can create subtasks and tasks is so powerful. And even the dashboard right here, the home page, you can customize it, color code each projects, and even right when you log in, it'll tell you what is due every week, your goals are, and what portfolio. And anyway, so many things you can do, and you can add them right here on the homepage as well, so that you're able to manage it from a bird's eye view. Once again, I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to do a quick introduction to this amazing platform. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Like I mentioned, if you want to work with me, partner with me at eXp Realty, if you're thinking of switching brokerage as a real estate agent, I want to choose me as your sponsor and join Agent Wolfpack at eXp Realty, you know what to do. Click on that link, book a call with me, and I'll be happy to explain what it's like for us to be of support to you. And in the Wolfpack, remember, you get to get access to myself, Connor, Mike, all of the upline. So if you choose me as your sponsor, you get access to my social media platform, my kvCORE, my CRM training, and so much more. And I don't want to stress you out because I don't overwhelm you, because there's just so much wealth of knowledge that we share in our group and masterminds and training. And we're kind of your right hand when it comes to launching your real estate career and finding success here. And if you're a team leader or broker, we help train all of your agents as well. And we work together kind of as leaders to helping you achieve your real estate business goals. So I highly recommend you look up eXp Realty, you look up Agent Wolfpack, and choose me as your sponsor, and let's work together. The information and the link is in the description below. I highly recommend you check it out. I'll see you next time. Take care.